Hey, what's going on? Coach D, and welcome back to our Tai Chi movements walkthrough. Today I'm going over grass bird's tail, or grasping the peacock's tail left. Welcome back. We're working on grass bird's tail. We finished off of our repulse monkey. Our last step is our left foot forward with our right foot back. Most of our weight is on our back foot, and we have our left hand on top, right hand on bottom. We just finished repulse monkey. We pull down, bring our foot in, step out, shift our weight, pushing at the palm, turn our body back towards the left. Right hand goes down towards the waist. Then the left hand extends out as we move our weight forward. Both hands go forward. They rotate. Left hand palm down, right hand palm up. Grass bird's tail, shift the weight back. Then shift our weight to the right as we pull the hands around again. This time, right hand pushing at the wrist. As we go forward, it catches up, presses over, clear, sweeping across, roll back, shift the weight back, and sink and press. Make note, grass bird's tail back, we are looking at the right hand. We're looking over the forearm. We're looking at the left hand, right hand. We're looking at both hands. We reach, we roll back, we look to the horizon. From the back view, we shift our weight back, turn to the right as our hands come down. Bring the foot in, step out, pushing at the palm, then extending out. Shift the weight back to the right. Grass bird's tail. Then pushing at the wrist, turn back to the left, looking at both hands. Extend out. Shift the weight back. And press. Next video, we'll be working on grass bird's tail right, transitioning into single whip. I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.